Hi guys, here's Mr. AB once more again on AB Math Education. We continue to solve the SAT questions. We are making it easier. We are giving you all the tips, the secret and the hints for you to do well in your SAT exams. We have question before us. The x and y are positive integers and we have 12 to the power 3 equals to 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y, and they want us to find the value of x plus y. How do we go about this question? You will try to maybe apply the law of exponent and say you're going to add x plus y, but remember the bases are not the same, so you have to change the other way around. So let's see if we can break this one down 2 and 3 to see if the corresponding will work. So even if you don't know, you can say that 4 times 3 is the same as 12, but I already have a power of 3, and 2 to the power x times 3 to the power y. At 4, 2 can go into 4 twice, so here 2 squared is the same as 4. And now you can use the power of power. Exponent power is to explain that if we have a to the power n to the power m is the same as a and m, you multiply. So here this will go here, becoming 2 to the power 2 times 3. Bring your multiplication, and here there's 1 over there. You don't normally see it. That will be 2 of 6 times 3 to the power 3 equals to 2 to the power x times y. Okay, so here, since the bases are the same, we can correspond the powers. Okay, we can say this is the same as this, and this one is the same as that. Okay, so here it implies that x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9 as an answer. Okay, so let's look at one multiple choice here. All of them are SAT. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. So we have a, we have a cubic root of a. You have to be able to change, because we see that all the answers are in exponent, but here is a radical. So you have to be able to change radical to exponent. So anytime we have of a is the same as a to the power 1 over n. This is a radical and this is a rational form. So therefore, since 3 is over here, is just going to be a to the power 1/3. So here, anytime a variable is together, or say a term is together and there is no operation between them, like if we have a, b, we assume it's supposed to be multiplication. So this, they are multiplying. You can write here as a times, we are changing this one to the power 1/3. Every number is to the power 1. So here, power 1. And every whole number is over 1. So anytime you have the same base with different powers, you just add the powers together. So here we are going to get a to the power 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3. You have to know how to add fractions. So here we find our least common multiple to be 3, or you can say you multiply the denominators. 1 times 3 is 3, and then you do bow tie multiplication, cross multiplication. So here we got 1 times 3, which is 3. You bring your operation plus. 1 times 1 is 1. and this give us a to the power 3 plus 1 is 4 and over 3. And then now that's all that you can do. You check the multiple choice and the answer is B. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and leave us a comment. Be blessed.